At dahil kilala natin ng Diyos, siya po ang nag-akda ng pag-aasawa at siya po ang may magandang plano para sa mag-asawa na magsasama habang buhay. Gaya ng sinasabi ng kasulatan, dahil dito iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa.
I always thought love wasn't real. I thought love was just something idiots think that they feel. But this beautiful woman, this lady, has a hold in my heart that I could not break, even if I wanted to. And there are times where I wanted to, because relationships aren't perfect.
God created you for me to be my match, a man whose strengths complemented my weaknesses. Looking back 5 years ago, I'm glad that you pursued me and stayed, because not only did I found a partner in life whom I can share my joys, laughters, tears, pains, and deepest frustrations.
So mga lalaki, ito po yung paalaala, no? At malinaw po dito na iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa. Ano po? At silang dalawa ay magiging isa.
Hangad ko ang pinakamasaya at pinakang matagal at hanggang sa dulo yung pagsasama. Mahabang pasensya at pangunawa ninyo sa isa't isa na.
Ang pag-asawa ay hindi yung kasabihan na ang pag-asawa hindi kaning mainit na kapag isinubo, iluluwa kapag napaso. So, kapit lang kayo lagi sa Panginoon.
And through all the uncertainties and trials of our lives, I bow before God, our families, and friends to be faithful to you and to honor and value our marriage until my last breath.
These are the scars deep in your heart. This is the place you were born, and this is the home where most of your soul comes ripping out from the places you've been torn. And it is
I promise to always make you laugh. Promise to always support your decisions, good or bad. I promise to always be your rock to lean on. I promise to love you unconditionally. I will always love you, RV, till the end of my days.